Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to restrict followers on X. So the way to restrict your followers on X is by making your account private. This will force anyone new who want to follow you on X to send you a follow request that you must manually approve or deny. So let's go to X mobile application, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy and find section privacy and safety. And under the tab your X activity, you want to go to audience and tagging and find option protect your posts. Please make sure that it's enabled. So once enabled, anyone who wants to follow you will be forced to send follow requests. And basically, let's go to this follow requests page. Tap your profile picture, and from the list of those sections you want to find follower requests, and here you will see every single new request that you receive, and from here you can either accept it or deny. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.